How to find who can see your following list on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your following list on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile and click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and then click privacy here, and now just scroll down until you find following list, and here we'll find here we'll find who can see your following list, and here everyone can see my following list, and you can change it of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.